luxury homes, mega mansions, and dream properties in the United States. Today's tour is something truly special. We are visiting an incredible custom-built luxury mansion with a stunning black and gold design, modern architecture, and breathtaking views that make this house look like a celebrity estate. Let's begin with the drone view. From the air, you can see the full size of this massive property. The mansion sits on a huge private lot surrounded by beautiful landscaping, tall trees, and a long private driveway that leads directly to the house. The design of this home is modern but also very powerful, with clean lines, large glass windows, and luxury details everywhere. From this view alone, you can tell this is not a normal house. This is the kind of property built for a millionaire lifestyle. Now we move toward the front entrance gate. The gate has a royal look with black metal and golden patterns designed across the surface. Large pillars stand on both sides, giving the entrance a strong and expensive feeling. As the gate opens, the long driveway makes the approach to the house feel like you are entering a private resort. Homes like this are built for privacy, comfort, and luxury living. We arrive at the main entrance of the mansion. The front of the house looks absolutely stunning with tall glass windows, modern lights, and golden details around the door. The front door itself is large and elegant, made with glass panels and gold handles. As we step inside, we are welcomed by a grand foyer with a very high ceiling and a huge chandelier hanging in the center. The marble floor shines under the light, and the black and gold color theme makes the entire space look rich and stylish. Let's move into the living room. This living area is large, open, and designed for both comfort and luxury. There are modern sofas, designer decoration, and a massive glass wall showing the outdoor view. Natural light fills the room during the day, and at night the soft lighting gives the space a warm and cinematic feeling. This is the perfect place for relaxing, watching TV, or spending time with guests. Next, we go to the kitchen. This is a chef-style luxury kitchen with black cabinets and golden handles that match the theme of the house. In the center, there is a large marble island with enough space for seating. The appliances are high-end and built for professional cooking. The design is modern, clean, and very expensive looking. This kitchen is perfect for family time or hosting parties. Right next to the kitchen is the dining area. The dining table is long and surrounded by beautiful golden chairs. Above the table hangs a modern chandelier that adds more elegance to the room. The open floor plan connects the dining area to the kitchen and living room, making the whole space feel even bigger. This is the perfect place for dinners, celebrations, and special events. Now let's check the garage. This garage looks like a luxury car showroom. There is space for several expensive vehicles, and the bright LED lighting makes everything shine. A house like this deserves cars like Ferrari, Lamborghini, or Rolls-Royce. The garage is clean, modern, and designed with the same attention to detail as the rest of the home. We go upstairs to see the master bedroom. The bedroom feels like a 5-star hotel suite. There is a large king-size bed, modern wall lights, and huge glass windows with a beautiful view outside. The black and gold theme continues here, making the room look stylish but also relaxing. This is the kind of bedroom where you can truly feel comfortable and peaceful. Next is the master bathroom. This bathroom looks like a private spa inside the house. The walls are covered with black marble, and the taps and handles are gold. In the center, there is a modern bathtub placed under soft lighting. There is also a glass shower with a luxury design. Everything here is built for comfort, relaxation, and high-end living. Now we move to the home gym. The gym has professional workout machines, mirror walls, and bright LED lights. With a gym like this, you don't need to leave the house to stay healthy. Having a private gym is one of the best parts of living in a luxury mansion. Let's go outside to the backyard. This is one of the most beautiful parts of the property. The swimming pool looks like something from a 5-star resort. There are palm trees, sitting areas, and modern lights around the pool. At night, the golden lights make the entire backyard look amazing. This is the perfect place for parties, relaxing evenings, or spending time with family and friends. Finally, we enter the TV lounge and home theater. This room has a huge screen, comfortable sofas, and soft lighting that makes it feel like a private cinema. Watching movies here would be an incredible experience. This space is perfect for entertainment and relaxing after a long day. This black and gold custom mansion shows what is possible when modern design, luxury materials, and creative architecture come together. Homes like this are not just places to live, they are a lifestyle, a dream, and a symbol of success. If you enjoy luxury home tours like this, make sure to subscribe to American Dream Mansions for more mega mansion tours every week. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next dream home tour.